Let me see your Excel sheet.
There you go.
Oh, perfect. So, Zachary, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, just checking. Okay, so.
Sorry, I don't know if my camera is working when I shared the screen.
Cool. No, it's okay.
Yeah, it's the iPad.
That's okay.
That's all I can
Totally
do.
fine. So you're going to graph these values. So do you know how to graph it?
I select everything,
yeah, so you don't select go back.
Oh.
No, that's okay. Right. So you don't select the latest time force, right?
Okay, so just
numbers? Just from both of those columns. All the way to the bottom.
Oh, damn. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, it's okay. I curse all the time.
Okay.
And then you go to insert at the top. Wait, scroll all the way up for me. Don't click anything. Just scroll. There you go. What happens if you click?
I don't know. I don't want to mess it up.
For anybody in the audience.
All right.
Okay, start, and then somewhere over there you'll see graph. So insert, charts. Yeah, go to recommended.
Where do you see
right that? Next to charts.
Oh, recommended. There you go. Sorry.
That's okay.
Just got this.
Second one.
Scattered?
Yeah.
Line?
It looks better.
All right.
From the video and the slides. Okay. So, I'm trying to figure something out, but I can't. Hold on, please. Okay, so for you guys that have pulled yours up as well, which hopefully you have, because this is what you have to do, because how else will you know which one is static and which one is kinetic? So if we know that the static is the max point, right? Let's say you have one that's a little bit curved and that you don't really know. Here's how you find it in Excel for an easier shortcut kind of way. So, Zachary, you're going to just eyeball like a range from where you think the peak is, like just the values.
Eyeball? Say like 11.5.
For the peak? Your highest point? Can you put your cursor on 11 point something? Oh, you're showing me that. No, I meant on the bottom.
Oh, on the bottom?
The range, yeah.
Oh, so where it's the highest?
Yeah, like somewhere you think it's the highest.
Like 4.4?
Oh,
around there?
See how you guys don't really have like an exact max value because you have to like eyeball it, right? So let's say you want to get the max value, and we'll take the range, right? Hear me out. We'll go from 3.95, right? So Zachary, I'll write the values down. 3.9 to 4.5, right? That's it. You're going to go to the values. So we're not looking at the graph. We're just going to look at the numbers. Okay? You're going to go start at 3.9. So find 3.9 for me.
Got it.
Okay. I want you to click on the right row column. I don't know why I keep saying that.
So I can get rid of this first highlight?
Just click outside somewhere. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so from 3.9, drag your cursor down to 4.5. Only from the right column, not from both.
Oh, only from the right? Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. So you said 4.5?
Okay, hold on. I think some people might be confused. The 3.9 will come, stop for me. The 3.9 will come from the time, right? So it's the first column. You find 3.9 on the first column. That's 08.
Oh, what the? I'm tripping.
That's okay.
My bad.
Oh, okay.
There we go. I should know that.
Okay, so now from there, you're going to refer to the other column and go drag to wherever 4.5 would be. So now drag down to where 4.5 is. Yes, okay.
And then make another graph or?
No, you're not making a graph.
Okay.
So somewhere on your screen, and I don't see it, should have like a max value and an average value and a count on the bottom of your Excel sheet.
Yeah, I don't see anything either. It just says, it shows the sum. Maybe if I click on this. Oh, here you go.
Yeah, okay, so perfect. So hold that for me, Zachary. So you guys, for your Excel sheets, on the bottom where it says sum, you might not have like a maximum section. So if you don't have max section, you're gonna right click somewhere near the sum button or whatever, and you're going to add the maximum. So click on maximum, so you can see that the maximum is 11.55, right? That is your maximum point, and Excel just helped you find your true
So that's our
maximum point.
that's our static then.
Yes.
Cool.
Okay. Scroll up for me. So how did we say we were gonna find the kinetic?
The average, right?
Yeah. So you picked a really good graph right off the bat, because how would we even describe like from where to where at this point? What do we pick?
4.4 to 7.6, or not even 7.4.
Okay, so you said 7.4, but what's the whole purpose of like a kinetic, like the kinetic section? What did we say about forces?
Just moving.
It's constant, right? So it starts to dip. It starts to like decline. You want to catch catch your kinetic values through what would be the straightest line possible on a graph, because they're.
What just happened?
Oh, just scroll up.
Oh.
So that's what you're trying to find. This is a really shitty graph. I'll admit to it. Sorry, I curse. This is not the best graph, right? So we want to kind of expand it out to where it would make it a little bit more clearer for this one in particular. And they're not all like this. This was the best we could do. And then when you spread it out, you kind of see the lines a little bit more clearer. And so from there, you can take the same thing that we did, okay? We picked a range for the static so we can find the max, okay? We're not averaging static. Let me make that very clear. Yes? Okay. We're averaging kinetic. So what we take from the points of the kinetic, we'll go back down. So Zachary, where you have maximum, that bottom button.
Oh yeah.
Okay. You'll have an average count as well. So for him, it would be the top. And don't take that average. That's obviously not the right average because we haven't highlighted the actual values that we're associating with kinetic, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's how you find, that's an easier way to find max values and average values instead of doing the math for average. That's all. Please unshare your screen. Thank you, Zachary. Okay. Was that clear to everyone? Did I just